how to link boards in Monday.com. So it's a little bit different from what they showed on their YouTube channel because they updated it. But basically, you want to click the board that you want connected and then click on the three dots right here for options. Once we have selected this, we want to hover over board power-ups and we want to click on automations. So from here, from the left hand side, we will see the option for connected boards. So we want to select it. And right here, you will see different options, templates for board linking, connection, or synchronization, whatever you want to call it. So you want to choose the one that is suitable for you. You can read through these. So when status changes to something, and only if status is something, create an item in board and connect boards with column. Let's say this will work for you. You want to use template, and right here you have to add the different columns, or you want to fill in this information basically. So you click on the plus icon and then you add whichever columns or boards you want linked, and then you have to click on create customization. So hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.